Hello, today we're going to unbox an iPhone X. Here's the iPhone, here's the case. Oh. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the charger, power adapter. Here are the earbuds. Okay, let's take this out. Let's get out the case. Oh.
Is this iPhone for you?
No. Here it is. Hello. Swipe up to open. English. United States. Set up manually. Here, we'll take out the SIM card. Let's take this out. Here. Here's your SIM card. Let's put it back in. Is it ready? Let's try it. Next. Okay, this is the verification code. Okay, now we have to enter the passcode for the other iPhone. Continue. It's loading. Set up later. Set up later. No share. Continue. And let's go home. All these shortcuts. Welcome to iPhone. Whoa, this is so cool. There's 3D touch too. Allow other to access your location. I am going to take a selfie with this new phone. Okay, like this. This camera quality. It's cool. So if you want to multitask, you just go like this, swipe up, go like that. If you want to delete it, just hold on it and click this arrow. Not arrow. Let's put the case back on. And we have finished unboxing and setting up our new iPhone X. Thanks for watching. Bye.